Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be installing a P-trap under my bathroom sink. This could be used in a kitchen sink, in a laundry room sink, pretty much under any sink. It's pretty easy to install. There's multiple different variations of this. You could get it in stainless steel. Again, different brands. They all pretty much install the same though. So I'll be installing this, and I'll also be installing an extension. So you'll see why as we get going on it. So let's get going. To get more videos like this, please like and subscribe below, and make sure you turn on notifications to get the most recent videos as they come out.